Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a table in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets, and here it opens up in this view. From here we have to select the document that we want to rename and tap on the three dots next to its name. And here if we scroll down, just tap on rename, and here we can enter the name that we want to change the current one to. For example, let's say this spreadsheet is titled spreadsheet 1. Tap on rename, and then as you can see the name has changed. You can do it as many times as you want to, there is no limit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.